Number 1 people. So my cards are asking you to follow your intuition, okay? You sometimes know what is right, but you don't believe in that and don't take actions according to that. So this week, start believing in yourself. Whatever your intuition is saying, just follow that. Just have strength, okay? You need a lot of strength to achieve whatever you want in life. So just don't stop because it is too hard. You need to have strength and start taking actions without worrying about how much strong and how much strength you need, okay? And sometimes we need to defend ourselves. So this is the week where you have to defend yourself from a lot of people. There is something you say and people don't believe in it, but just stand for it with strong attitude. The things will be right in the end. So number 2 people. You might meet your guru this week. Somebody you feel your guide. You will be able to meet that person who will guide you. Start seeing the positivity in your life rather than looking at and being sad about what is not happening right now in your life. And just let go of your fears. Let go of your fears and do whatever it takes to in this particular situation. So that's for number 2. Let's see how will be your coming week, that is 29th November to 5th December for number 3 people. And what guidance you all need from my cards for this week. Number 3 people. My cards are asking you to start taking actions, start communicating on what you need in your life. So there might be a situation where you want your money back from the people. You might need your dues back from the people. So start communicating with that people. Don't stop taking action. Don't stop calling them. Just call them and ask for your money back. Wherever your money is stuck, start asking for that. So for couple who are planning to have a baby, so this week they might get a good news. So that is for number 3 people or 4 people. I see some arguments happening at workplace or with family members, or there are some arguments happening for something to construct in your life. So maybe some important decisions are to be made and you are taking on fighting with the family members to construct your life, maybe a love life or maybe your future. It might be a situation your really nice friend might cheat you. So just be aware of that and work on constructing your future, constructing your love life, laying down a strong foundation. Maybe it requires a bit of arguments, but that's okay. So that is all for number 4 people. Let's see how will be your coming week, that is 29th November to 5th December. Number 5 people. Number 5 people. I see if you are not able to sleep properly, so just take care of your health. Stop worrying about things that are not in your hand. Much movement right now. Things are at stagnant position right now, but just don't take too much tensions about it. There is a weight there, but after a weight, I see whatever things that are currently not working in your life, there is a weight, but that will happen in future. My cards are asking you to work on helping people in your life, or donate some food items that will really enhance your, luck. So that is for number 5 people. Number 6 people. If you're thinking to cheat on somebody or not able to speak something in front, stop doing that, okay? Some good news is coming on your way. Some good news is soon coming on your way. And you might meet somebody important in your life, maybe your soulmate. there is a movement. The things that are not working for you right now, there seems a little movement in that area of your life. So let's check for number 7. Number 7. Number 7. Should believe in that when there is an end, then only we can start something new in your life. So that start is coming really soon in your life. You have a guide whom you can follow. So this destruction, this negative things happening in your life is for betterment of yours life. Stop taking tensions. There is a movement. There is a positive movement happening in your life. Whatever things are not doing great for you, that are going to end, and positivity is going to come in your life. There is a guide who will guide you through this dark night. So that is all for number 7, people. Number 8. Number 8. 8. Okay, so just be aware of people who might cheat you, or there are people whom you should not trust in life, but you are taking them as a good friend. Just be aware of that. There is a new start happening soon in your life, okay? New start happening soon in your life. Just be aware of people who might cheat you, or there are some people in your life whom you should not trust. So just be aware of that. And there is a strong movement happening, well-balanced movement, well-balanced start happening in your life really soon. So that is for number 8, people. Let's take out some cards for number 9, people. Stop worrying too much about the negativity happening in our life. Start seeing what is positive in our life. There is still hope. There is still hope. And there is a positive change happening in the life. And people who are planning to roam around the world or are on some vacations, have planned some vacations for this week, that will go really great for those people. And once again, stop worrying about people who might cheat on you. Just don't give them any attention. They will do what they will do, but you have your luck besides you. So just take actions on your life and just have a childlike energy. So that is for number 9, people. Best